I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 41. And our prompts for this week is blue paper, and that's my background. Something you love. I love peanut butter and jelly. Something you find underground. I don't mean to be morbid, but I'm going with skeletons. It's a spooky time of year, and I honestly don't know where I would use these images anywhere else. So there you go. Something underlined, and I have got this where it says airmail and it's underlined. Also a clothing accessory. I've got these shoes and stockings, and the bonus is a postal item, and I've got this fragile do not drop, handle with care, and this is a return registered letter receipt. Excuse me. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP41. All right. So let's kind of get our skeleton couple down. And we have got stockings here. Now let's see where else we want everything. Could kind of tuck that there. And I do love my peanut butter and jelly. My son makes the best peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I've got one son that does me peanut butter and jelly and one son that does me cheese quesadillas. And they're both wonderful. Okay, good. Tuck that there. Now I didn't know if I need something to kind of break it up. I've got these flowers. I'm not sure if I'm going to need them, but I figure they're in kind of the fall colors, which is kind of where I was at here. Let's see. Kind of maybe bring that over just a tad. Maybe bring it down. I like that. And maybe here. See here, I'm not real happy with the peanut butter and jelly there. I like the flowers. Maybe I'll skip this one and just kind of go like this. This down maybe like that. So I got them further down. Maybe this will then work. Okay, I like that. Usually I play around with it for a little bit, but I didn't this time. So let me see what pieces I need to connect. I'll connect these. And connect this. connect this and this. Connect that. Connect that. And we will connect that at the end because it'll just go over everything. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get everything turned over. Okay. And we'll just get everything down. I hope everybody is doing good. I'm doing pretty good. My son will be preaching tonight. And our revival starts today. So probably, maybe when you're watching this, I'm probably cooking because we're having dinner after church. So I'll be cooking if you're watching this early in the morning. Okay. Now. There we go. And now, get my little skeleton couple here. Okay. And there we go. Excuse me, I am so sorry. My husband is cutting grass. This is Saturday when I'm filming this. And it's got a lot of dust kicked up. All right. Now, I want to do some gold splatters. Let me my brush. And we will just I like the gold on that blue. All right. Now let's see if we got everything. We have got our blue paper, something you love, peanut butter and jelly, something you find underground. You find skeletal remains underground. Something underlined. We've got airmail underlined there. A clothing accessory. We've got the shoes and stockings. And postal item, fragile, do not drop, handle with care, and return registered letter receipt. And you've got the stamps and the airmail. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's short, sweet, simple, but I think it has a lot packed into it. I could make my videos longer if you want to watch me ink. I did ink up everything first, but I know there's a lot to watch, so I try to be considerate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful week. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.